Guys, how are you today? Today's lesson is two-dimensional shapes on three-dimensional shapes. Lesson number 11.5, page 477. Okay guys, what is the meaning of 2D shapes, two-dimensional shapes, or three-dimensional shapes? Okay, two-dimensional shapes, it's like circle, square, rectangle, triangle. I can draw it, but I can't hold it in my hand. But 3D shapes, okay, 3D, something I can hold in my hand. Like what? Like cone, it's like our birthday hat or party hat. Or we can have slender. Slender actually, it's more like a bottle. Or a cube and a rectangular prism. It's like mini books. Okay, guys. So 2D, I can draw it and I can see it on 3D shapes. But 3D shapes, I can hold it in my hand. Here, guys, he's telling me that Lee places a cone on a piece of paper and draws around it its flat surface. What did Lee draw? Okay, guys, I have a cone here. Okay, imagine a cone, it's like a party hat. So if I place it on a surface and I trace its flat surface, we agreed before that cone has one flat surface and a curved surface. Okay, its flat surface is on the shape of what? Shape of a circle. So if I place the cone and I trace around its flat surface, so I will draw a circle. Okay, that tells us that in 3D shapes we can see 2D shapes. Like I have here a rectangular prism, but I can see a rectangle here and another rectangle, and I can see a square. So I can find 2D shapes on 3D shapes or three-dimensional shapes. Okay guys, here he wants me to use three-dimensional shapes. I have it here. Trace around the flat surface, circle the shapes you draw. I have here a cube, guys. Which shape can you see? Okay, if I trace around the circle, I will find, yes, a square. Where is the square here? Here it is. So I'm gonna circle. Now, do I have a triangle? No, I have square and square and square. So I don't have any other shapes. Now, next one I have here cylinder. Okay, where is its flat surface? Here it is. It's flat surface only, guys. It's in the shape of what? Yes, circle. So I'm gonna choose circle. Now, last one we have here, it's rectangular prism. Let's trace its flat surface. Okay, I have here a square, so I'm gonna choose square. And let's trace another one. Oh, I have here a rectangle, so I'm gonna choose also a rectangle. Okay, so I can have only one shape or more than one. Okay. Okay, guys, we'll move on to the next page. Circle the object you could trace to draw the shape. It's the opposite. Here, guys, I have here a rectangle. So I'm gonna look at the object that in front of me and I'm gonna choose the one that has a rectangle and its flat shape. So, guys, where I can find a rectangle here? Of course, I don't have it here and I don't have it here. Look, I have it here. So I'm gonna circle it. And I also have it here. So I'm gonna circle it also. Now I have here a circle. Which 3D shape that I have in front of me has a flat surface in the shape of a circle? I want you to solve it, then check your answers. I have here a circle, so I'm gonna choose it. I have here a circle also, so I'm gonna choose it. And I have here also a circle, so I'm gonna choose it. Now I have number 6, I have square. Where is the square? Do I have squares here? Yes, I have here one. So I'm gonna choose this one. And I have here also square. So I'm gonna choose it. Now I have a rectangle. Can I find a rectangle here? Yes, I have one here. So I'm gonna choose it. And I have another one here. So I'm gonna choose it. Now guys, number 8, draw a shape you would make if you traced this object. Okay, if I trace this object, guys, let's trace it. Which shape that I have here? Yes, a triangle, so I'm gonna draw a triangle. Now guys, we'll move on to the last page that we have. Circle the shape that the pattern will make if you fold it and tab it together, tape it together. Okay guys, I have a shape. It's this one or this one. If um like break it down, it will give me this shape. And if I fold this shape, it will give me one of these shapes. Let's see first what surfaces that we have. I have here a rectangle and I have a rectangle. Actually, I have only rectangles, guys. So which shape that have only rectangles? Yes, second one. Why, I have here square. Do I have here squares? No. Now, here I have square, 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 only squares. Which shape that have only squares? Yes, second one. Because I have here squares and I have also rectangles. So I don't have rectangles here, so it's the second shape. Now number 11, Key wants to trace a rectangle. She find this objects. Which object would she use? Which object that I have here, if I used it, I can trace a rectangle. Yes, a box. Box can make a rectangle. If you trace it like this, it can make a rectangle. So I'm gonna write box. What would happen if Key used the jar to trace a shape? I have a jar here, guys. If I trace it, it will give me what? What flat surface that I have here? I have it here. If I trace it, it will give me what? I will trace a shape of what? Yes, circle. That's it, guys, for today. Hope you understand the lesson. Love you all. See you soon. Bye.